Hi everyone, welcome to your conditions presentation instructional video. I'm going to talk to you about both the sign up part of the presentation as well as the actual presentation itself. So in week 2, module 2, you will see there's going to be a link for the condition presentation sign up. By Sunday of week 2, you will be required to sign up for a condition that you are going to present between the weeks of week 9 and week 14. What you'll do is you'll go into Module 2, you click on the Conditions Presentation Sign Up, or you can go to the Assignments option of the course and you'll see the Conditions Presentation Sign Up there as well. You click on that and you'll see that there is a requirement for 2 students for each condition. So in week 2, you'll go in and you'll sign up. The presentations will run between week 9 and week 14. There's 2 parts to the presentation. Each student will take one part, so that would be the role A or the role B. So one student will sign up for the condition discussion and the video related to the actual condition presentation, and then the other student in role B will present an article that is related to the condition. I recommend an article related to treatment of the condition, and then list 3 to 5 national resources for treatment, right? So I think about this as a 2-part in terms of the first part, or role A, is presenting the actual condition itself, the elements of the condition, the criteria, etc. And then role B is more of that sort of evidence-based current treatment in that area with lists of potential resources for clients who are struggling with that particular condition. So the presentations themselves won't take place until week 9 to 14, but by week 2 you need to at least sign up for the particular condition you're interested in presenting. And so when you go into the sign up, you'll see there'll be 2 slots for each of the different conditions. I'm assuming that the person who's in the first slot will be role A and the second slot will be role B. After week 2, when I have the finalized list of presentations, then I will send out that list, and you two can sort of work out who's going to do which part if you're not really interested in doing role A or role B. So the way the automatic sign up will be is that the first person will be role A and the second person will be role B, but if you want to renegotiate that after the fact, that's fine with me. So so each part of that will be will be about 10 minutes or less. So let's go into the actual presentation itself now. So we're going to go back to the assignments and we're going to go to the instructions for the presentation. So here you can see the list, and this list is actually, it lives in the sign up as well, but these are the different presentations, or conditions rather, that you'll be presenting on, and you're going to really try to keep this to like a 10-minute or less video, definitely. And so I'm thinking about this presentation in a sort of 20 to 25 minute time, with about 10 to 15 minutes for each person to present max. So each of you will kind of work together, but each of you will present your own video related to your presentation. So the person A will upload the video related to your part of the presentation, and then role B will present a summary of the article. If you want to work together, which will probably make it even easier for everyone who's going to be viewing the video, and you want to record it together, that would be ideal. So I would recommend you thinking about, while you could upload it separately, I would recommend that you think about creating the presentation together so that it's a seamless presentation of the condition, so that the first person who's talking and presenting is doing the part about the condition, the video related to the condition, and then the second student is presenting the piece related to the article summary and the website and the resources. You can use Zoom for this presentation, and that makes it easier because you don't actually have to be in in the same room to present together. When you use a Zoom presentation, you can log into the Zoom, you can be talking to each other using your webcam, and you can then upload a PowerPoint, and then your faces will present over the PowerPoint in the corner so that you can use a PowerPoint presentation as well if that helps you to guide the presentation. And so using the Zoom option will enable you to work together even if you can't be in the same room together, and you can coordinate together how to record the video so that you're able to present both sides of the condition in the one 10, 20, 15-minute video. Okay. If you have any questions, make sure to email me. I'll be posting videos regularly throughout the class. I'll be checking my emails. The way that and you'll see it in the announcements, or you can refer back to the announcements. I do prefer our communication to happen through email. If you need to have a conference call, I'm happy to do that. I will most likely have some office hours throughout the course as well that will be synchronous Zoom office hours so that I can support you as you're working on your presentations as well. So, as always, with any question you have in the class, please feel free to email me and I'll get back to you as soon as possible.